Hey guys, so today I have these apple cider vinegar gummies. So these ones, they're made with folic acid and they support your digestive health. 2 gummies for 20 calories. I've been taking these for a while now, and all I could say is they definitely have helped with my digestion. They're apple flavored, but they do have apple cider vinegar in them, so when you do take them, it's a little bit, you get that tiny little bit of apple cider, but overall just tastes like apples. Gelatin free. There is no artificial coloring in this. Overall great for your digestion health. Only take 2 per day, recommended on these, so you don't overdo like your digestive cleanse, and overall these are pretty good for that. So the gummies itself are apple shaped, which is really cute, has filled me with a lot more energy, and these are a perfect supplement for digestion. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.